One after the other, the men and women named in the irregularly awarded engineering tender in the NYS scandal made their way to a simple van devoid of any trappings of luxury. This will be their transport to the Milimani Anti-Corruption Court. Amongst the notable figures, the former Principal Secretary in the Ministry of Devolution, Engineer Peter Mangiti.
There are more than 20. In total, there should be about 25 or so. And the total number already here, I cannot ascertain. But by the end of the day, we should have all, and we are going to arraign all of them in court today.
But that was not to be. Two of the high-profile suspects, former Deputy Director General of the NYS Adan Harakhe and former Tender Committee Chairman in the Ministry of Devolution, Hassan Noor Hassan, were nowhere to be seen either at the EACC or in the dock in the Anti-Corruption Court. The EACC has sought arrest warrants for these two and 6 others who failed to show up in court.
Used your office to improperly confer a benefit.
The 24 suspects are facing a total of 5 counts under the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crimes Act. They stand accused of breaking the law in the tendering process of a 47.6 million shillings contract awarded to Blue Star Enterprises for the supply of training material to the Automotive Engineering Department of the NYS. The 16 who were presented to court had the charges read to them individually. They pleaded not guilty. For Engineer Mangiti, this is the second time he is facing prosecution for the NYS scandal. He is already facing other charges of threatening an officer who was investigating the NYS cases. The suspects were released with cash bonds ranging from 700,000 shillings to 3 million shillings. Those unable to raise the cash will spend the weekend in custody. This prosecution is the 4th in a list of suspect contracts awarded in the NYS scandal.
We've been investigating over 14 different projects, so you will see them one after the other. We already have 3 in court. We'll see more as we progress.
Well, the EACC says this is just one of the investigations they have been carrying out into the many suspect contracts at the NYS, at the Ministry of Devolution. They will be expecting more prosecutions in the coming days as investigations into other contracts are concluded. Brenda, Wanga, NTV, Nairobi.